Robinhood's new customer agreement has just announced some pretty big news, I feel like, for the brokerage. And to me, it would have me excited as someone who could be investing in Robinhood or using their platform overall. In today's video, we're going to talk about how Robinhood is now going to allow users to start to collect interest on options collateral. Not on every single one, but on a couple options that you will see over here. So if you're excited for today's video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. As you will take a look here at the options collateral page on Robinhood, they have the two different ways you could have collateral. In this case, you could have collateral held in stock if you sell a covered call. You could also have collateral held in cash if you sell a cash secured put or you're opening a credit spread. If you want to learn more about these trading strategies, check out the Fridge Financials YouTube channel. You'll find plenty more of those where we talk about covered calls, cash secured puts, credit spreads, all that kind of stuff there. Breaks down how you open them, how you get them, what you would like to be looking to do, all that kind of stuff in between. But the really interesting thing here is, what is interest on options collateral? Eligible cash held as options collateral earns a 3.35% APY as part of the high yield cash program. So that's already, something that's relatively new. And people say, well, Fridge, it's been around for a while. It's been around for a while for other brokers, and Robinhood is now getting into the game. Yes, they're late to it, but better late than never. And again, eligible cash held. So that would be your cash secured puts, and that would be your credit spreads. Now, the thing to remember is that this is only available for Robinhood Gold subscribers. This is not for everybody. You have to be a Robinhood Gold member. So if you want to bring over more users and gain that Robinhood Gold membership and a lot of those other premium features you get with it, this right here is huge. And this could be very, very good for Robinhood in the long term, bringing over users from other companies that are offering this, but not as many of the other features that you'd be looking at there. And if you take a look, this is the Robinhood customer agreement that did go out. I forgot what time it went out, but I didn't look it up here. The high yield cash program offers interest to eligible customers on eligible free credit balances, whether swept to the cash sweep program or held as part of the brokerage held cash program. On or after March 9th, 2026, the high yield cash program will also offer interest to eligible customers on eligible options cash collateral. Brand new. You're not only going to be collecting premiums from selling cash secured puts, you will also receive interest on the cash that is not being used because, again, it's pushed aside as collateral. Now, companies like Fidelity has been doing this for quite some time here. As you'll see, generating potential income with options selling puts. This is the Fidelity website here, or this is one of their PDFs they have here. Talk about what a cash secured put is. You can target a buying price, earn potential income from the actual premium. You also earn interest on the cash. So Fidelity has been doing this for quite some time. I don't know when this came out, actually. Does it have a date on it anywhere? 2022. So this has been around for, years and years and years. Public is another platform that does this, but they do also something a little bit different. You do not earn interest, but Public will pay you a 1% annualized rebate for all cash held as collateral to secure your short put contracts. So you get a little bit of a payback there as well. This is from Public, updated over 1 year ago. You also can get the same thing through Interactive Brokers here. Okay, I looked it up, and this is a form. Someone goes, hi, does Interactive Brokers pay interest on the extra cash received for writing cash secured puts? And they do, in fact, basically say, yes, you do, in fact, get it. If you have a net asset value of $100,000 or more, you are paid interest at the full rate, and then anything less than that, you will get it at rates proportional to the account size, and no interest is paid on the first $10,000. This is from September of last year. So, again, a little bit of time has gone by, but Fidelity's been doing it since 2022 at least, if not longer. And now Robinhood is in the game. That is big. A lot of people talk about why you don't get paid out interest because your cash is just sitting there in a cash secured put. It's not being used. You're not spending the money in this case here, but it kind of just sits on the sidelines and waits till it's either exercised, you got to use the money to buy shares, or it just expires worthless and it goes back into your account to then get interest. But now, as that cash moves to the side and just sits on the sides and waits, it'll still get interest of 3.35% APY, which is pretty good. If you take a look at my brokerage account, as you will see here, this is what kind of sparked my interest to look into this here. As you will see, here's my cash earning interest right here, and you'll see it even has it as new, includes options collateral. So that to me is pretty cool. We're getting paid for my options collateral that we have here. If you take a look at a trade here, for example, I think one of my ones I have is Trade Desk. Trade Desk is one. And again, this is cash, not margin. If you're using margin, you don't get this. But if you take a look here, here's my Trade Desk cash care put here. Cash is earning 3.35% APY. That's awesome. Obviously, it's down right now, which is not obviously ideal for me. But so Trade Desk has it as it's getting collected. That $2,250 is collecting 3.35% APY as we wait to see what happens. We can take a look at the other ones as well. I don't know if all of them are. If some of them are margin based, they may not be. Let me take a look and see. RCAT, I had one in. That one's getting 3.35% as well. UiPath was another one that I had here. Excuse me. UiPath is another one here. I don't know. I'm guessing they're all getting it. Yep, 3.35%. So all my cash secured puts here right now are collecting some 3.5%, almost 3.5% APY interest as we wait to see what happens. I think it looks like Rocket, same thing. Let me take a look here and see. Yep, Rocket's getting that collateral as well. So that's huge. Fidelity, big name broker. And this was very, very cool because not only do you get passive income from the cash secured put as you wait for it to get to a cheaper price, but you also are collecting interest as a result. It's like dual income. You get income from the premiums and you also get interest as you wait, which is very, very nice. It's dual income. You're doing absolutely nothing as you're waiting. Public paying you back as well. Very, very cool. Interactive brokers, same thing, paying you back more than one way. And now Robinhood is doing the exact same thing. And to me, I think this is going to bring over a lot of users who are maybe on the fence. If you were like, do I want to go to Robinhood? I don't really know. Fidelity pays me for cash secured puts here. There's a lot of people who are selling options, obviously. There's a lot of people that buy options. In order to buy options, you have to have someone that sells the options, right? So there's a lot of people who are buying and selling options every single day. And if you're an options seller and you're like, oh, I wanted to stay on Fidelity because I get interest on my cash that's collateral, now you got Robinhood. So in order to obviously get this interest rate payout of 3.35% on your options collateral here, you do have to be a Robinhood Gold member. But what is really nice about this is that, again, Fidelity does it. What they offer besides this, I'm not really quite sure. Public, same thing. Interactive brokers, I'm not really quite sure, obviously, what they offer besides this. But if you pay $5 a month or $50 a year, which saves you about $10 a year, which is pretty good, you get access to a lot more things than just options collateral interest, which to me, I think is well worth it. So with Robinhood Gold, you get the 3.35% APY on brokerage cash. A lot of brokers obviously do that as well. Bigger instant deposit, same thing. Professional research from Morningstar. I'm sure these are all very much similar things. I'm not really quite sure about the margin, but being able to borrow a margin of $1,000 interest-free, not too bad. You can get an exclusive mortgage loan offer and a $500 credit towards closing costs with Sage Home Loan Corporations. This I made a video about a little while ago. You do have to get the annual subscription, looks like. But it's really cool because you get a better rate than what the average mortgage rates are through Robinhood Gold, which is pretty cool. You can get access to the Robinhood Strategies account, which is actually very cool as well. Discounted index options trading fees, lower commissions in futures tradings. All these kind of things are perks that you can definitely get. Other things as well, you can definitely go in and let's talk about the loan here as well if you want to take a look at it there. Commission, downgrade, okay, whatever. But also with Gold, with what you actually get here is you also get, you can apply for the Robinhood Gold credit card, which is very, very cool as well. So you also get 3% at Roth IRA match, which is very, very awesome as well. I take advantage of that on my retirement account, as you'll see over here. I have my retirement account over here. But this is very, very big news. There's going to be, I feel like you're going to see a lot of people. I wouldn't be surprised. And again, I'm not the expert here, but I feel like this is definitely going to bring over quite a bit of users to the Robinhood platform. And that's what Robinhood wants to do. They want to grow their Robinhood platform. They want to grow the user base. They're going to be getting more subscriptions, which is going to be absolutely amazing. And they're going to be able to use this to then expand even more. So I really like this idea. I'm really all for it. I'm excited to see how many people are going to switch over here. And this is something that, again, better late than never. They're behind the game, but now they caught up. Robinhood talking about doing this. They have the early dividends that are going to be coming out, which would be absolutely amazing. Like, they're doing all these different things to really bring over the user base and to bring over those customers and make this an all-in-one brokerage account here. And that, to me, I think is very, very awesome. Again, I don't know why they wouldn't make a bigger deal about this and, make a quick, Instagram reel about it. I don't know if they have or not at the time of recording this, but if they're not making a big deal about it, Fridge Financials is obviously making a big deal about it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you made this far in the video, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications as per usual. Robinhood is now paying you interest on cash secured puts. And that, to me, is right up my alley, as you'll see all these options we are now selling over here with UiPath, Arcat, Rocket, Trade Desk, Carnival Cruise Lines, IREN, Supermicro. A lot of cash crypto puts here, a lot of interest being collected. I'm excited for it. Anyways, I hope you guys are making away in the market in some way, shape, or form as per usual. Feel free to take a look at the Fridge Financials memberships if you want to support Fridge Financials in any way, shape, or form as per usual. And I will see you guys in the next video.